So obviously we knew it was happening, but now we actually know what his title is, and that's Jeremy Coker. After leaving Yamaha and moving over to Triumph for the 2025 season, his new title is General Manager of Triumph Racing America. And he says that, and a quote to him says, "I took on a position. My title is General Manager of Triumph Racing America. That is to oversee every form of racing Triumph have and will have. Currently, that is super motocross, but the end goal is to have amateur racing, GNCC, every form of racing every other manufacturer has. That's going to be a big job of mine to create and oversee. It's a much bigger position than what I was in. Obviously, he was just team manager of the Star Yamaha. Star Yamaha? Yeah. And so this is a huge move. This isn't lateral. This isn't moving over to be the team manager of Triumph. This is the head honcho. This, to be the general manager of every form of racing that Triumph is going to do in America. That's, he's talking GNCC, he's talking super motocross, but that's also enduro. You know, who knows if they even bring in road racing? I don't know if that would fall under his. I'd assume it have to, but it's a big move. And obviously he's talking about this because it's and there's a long whole interview if you want to watch it from SMX Insider talking to Jason Thomas. But one of the bigger things was basically talking about how much traveling you have to do, as him saying he did 37 races last year, so 37 weeks traveling, or at least the weekends. And so he said, quote, "What made me really think about it when I got home from Australia was a big hit on me. Like, holy smokes, I got to do something different. At the time this position fell in my lap, I was contacted about this opening and I thought the same thing everybody else was thinking. I was just team manager and I was not interested to move for that reason. Why would I leave for the same position when I have every bit of potential to win every championship next year with the team I was on? I found out that the position was and the travel requirements. It wasn't an easy decision. I sat at the top farm for a long time and stared and really thought about it, what I was going to do, but really it was a decision I had to make for my family. Now, obviously, being this is going to be more of, I'd assume, an office job. You'll probably still be going to some races, A1, all the bigger stuff like that, but you're not going to be traveling every single week. You're not going to be handling I don't want to say the small stuff, but the team, the every week running of a team. It's going to be the overall picture, the bigger end stuff. And for him, it's probably a good idea, move on to a much bigger promotion, obviously, with a team that is growing or looking to grow. Obviously, they're throwing money at this sport. And for him, good job. So, I don't know, you guys tell me, what do you think? Good move, bad move? You think he should have stayed with Yamaha and just hope to promote that way? Or what do you think? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think while you're down there. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really does help me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.